So guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a reaction video to Man United v Wolves.
Come on now boys, we got this game today.
So we've got about 30 minutes left till kick-off. My brother's gonna...
30? You got
13.
I'll be 3-0.
13 minutes till kick-off.
Yeah.
So he's going to show you the lineup, talk about the players, because he's good at that.
Let's go through Man United's lineup because that's what we are concerned about. So, obviously in goal, the back four is pretty much the same against Chelsea, well, back five, including the keeper. You've got De Gea in goal, Luke Shaw at left back, Maguire, Lindelof at centre back, then you got Wan-Bissaka at right back, solid back four. Then you got a midfield two, so you got Pogba, McTominay in the midfield two. Then you got Rashford on the left, Martial up top, Daniel James starting. I never thought he would start today, but Ollie's put the faith in him. So you got James on the right, Rashford on the left, Martial down straight through the middle as a number 9, and then you got Lingard sitting in that pocket just behind Martial, so in front of the midfield too. I'm happy with the lineup. What do you think? Same. Good. You sure? Nah, honestly, I'm happy. I don't think Daniel James will start.
I'm comfortable with the defence. I'm comfortable.
Yeah, this year we feel so much more secure.
Maguire, Wan-Bissaka, they made a big ass difference.
Peace. Then obviously with Wolves you got Patricio in goal, and then at the back you got Bowley, Cody, Bennett, and Johnny Castro. In the midfield, I think they're playing a midfield three with John Moutinho, Ruben Neves, and I don't know how to say his name, Dendoncker. That's how you say his name. And then the attacking three is Doherty, Diego Jota, and Jimenez. That's it.
So
Spanish.
I definitely
not
think,
Jimenez, it's Jimenez.
So I definitely think Wolves is a team that you shouldn't underestimate, because they've been last season they beat the top 4 teams like how many?
I think they beat all the top 4. I think
they beat,
the top 6. They won pretty much almost all their games against the top 6.
Yeah, so
they beat us twice last year.
Ruben Neves is a guy that I'm pretty scared about.
I don't think anyone's, especially from the United side, I don't think anyone's going in this game thinking it's going to be a walk in the park, especially after last year. Last year was poor. Against Wolves was poor, because we lost against them in the Cup, and then we played them again in the league, which is when everyone thought, okay, this is your chance to get the revenge, and we didn't. We were still poor. I think McTominay scored first that game, I think.
But that's pretty much it, guys, for the lineup. So we've got 10 minutes left. We're going to wait for kickoff, and we'll see you there.
Wait! Score predictions.
Oh, score predictions.
Score predictions. What do you think? And who will score as well?
I think 3-0 United and
3-0 United.
Rashford and Pogba twice.
Pogba twice. He loves Pogba.
Pogba's my guy.
He loves Pogba.
He's my favourite player.
Don't get me, I love him too, but he's on his day. He needs to be more consistent for me to love him. He's not inconsistent enough.
Oh, Pogba's too sick. Just look at him. He's too sick.
He's our best player, but he needs to be more consistent. For me, I think it's going to be 3-1. I think Wolves will score. I think they will score.
No, they will score, but I'm going to put my faith in United.
You said 3-0?
Yeah, 3-0. I'm sticking with 3-0.
I will score. They will score, but 3-0.
Yeah, 3-0.
Okay, look, I think 3-1. I'm not going to say who's going to score for Wolves. For us, I think it will be Martial, Rashford, and James. Front three. Actually, no. I think Martial, Rashford, and Lingard. I think Lingard will score today.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, see you guys in a bit.
See you guys in a bit. Literally seconds before kickoff. Come on, the boys. Kiss it. Come on, the boys. Martial.
Literally, yeah, we're sitting here. We're actually nervous for these guys. Imagine being there.
It's so nerve-wracking. You want your team to do well. Ooh.
Come on, Rashford.
Ooh. Well done, McTominay. Brilliant. Martial. Referee!
Bow. What? Bro. No, they paid the ref. Both teams.
Clean out Wan-Bissaka. Love it.
Both teams are looking kind of a bit shaky.
Yeah. We've seen more of the ball, but you're going to expect that against Wolves. They're going to be a lot harder to break down than Chelsea. Way harder.
Nice, Wan-Bissaka.
So let's just keep the ball. We don't need to rush anything. We know these little shits are going to be cagey. They're not going to give anything away early. I know they're not. Whoa! We got a climbing for him. Get off of Pogba. Wan-Bissaka's charging down that right side. Daniel James out wide. He's cut back in. Ooh!
Ooh. Was that not a foul?
I think it was a dive, to be fair. Wolves on the break. Wan-Bissaka needs to pick up his man. No. No. No.
What is going on?
Really good run. Really good run by the number 9. And it's out for a corner.
Oh, this is looking a bit shaky, man. Okay.
Luke Shaw, up for that. Well done. Brilliant. Love it. Rashford, let's go now. Let's go. Let's go.
Poggy, run.
Lingard in the centre. Daniel James picks up on the right.
This is a counter attack.
Corner. Do you know what this calls for?
Maguire.
Oh, Maguire.
Maguire.
This is what we've needed for so long from set pieces. Aerial threat. We've had big players.
Yeah, but none of them never win any headers. And
Apart from Fellaini. Fellaini was a beast.
Fellaini was a
In the
beast.
air.
Lukaku, he's 10 foot tall but never wins a header.
Let's not talk about Fat Boy, man. Forget him, man.
Oh, what a ball.
Rashford's going to keep that on. Rashford's down on the left.
Wow, wow.
He's standing up his man. Ooh, sold him dreams. Oh, he sold him more dreams. Martial!
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Rashford, that was fucking sick.
There was a moment where you saw the defender's soul will leave his body.
Literally. You see?
When he fake shot, and he fake shot again, that's when his soul just boom. Easy does it, Lindelof.
Oh.
Yeah, Wolves aren't showing nothing.
Nothing.
They're the home team and they're sitting back, literally, in a rocking chair. They're not doing nothing. It's been all United. Even though we haven't created the cleanest of chances, we've tried.
But I reckon United have been.
Wolves aren't giving anything away at the moment.
They've been a bigger threat.
Of course, 100%. Wolves don't look like they want to be on the ball. Give it, give it, give it! Yes! Martial! Come on!
What
Come
a
on!
goal.
What a goal! That's what we needed. Now the game's going to open up.
Yeah.
Brilliant,
Now the game's
brilliant,
gonna-
brilliant, 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 brilliant,
Should
brilliant.
overlap.
Brilliant! That's what I'm talking about! Overlap!
That's left foot.
Love it. Good goal.
Lovely.
So literally, Luke Shaw plays it straight through the middle to Lingard. Lingard, not even the first touch, gives it straight to Scott McTominay. McTominay back out to Luke Shaw. Luke Shaw brings it back into the pocket where Lingard loves playing. Rashford, Luke Shaw with the overlap, which I was talking about before the game, but Martial picks it up and smashes it. Top bins. Left foot. Brilliant pass by Rashford. Not overhit. Beautiful.
Sick
The finish was sick.
Sick.
That's what I'm talking about. Our number 9. Come on, now, boys.
Look at his face. He's happy. You can tell. He wants to crack a smile.
Yeah. My number 9, you know.
That's-
My number 9, you know.
He's like,
Come
"That's not
on.
me. I can't crack a smile. That's not me.
Ole, 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 ole. I'm not going to get excited. Let me just... Woosa. Rashford's on the ball. Luke Shaw's overlapping. Luke Shaw's tearing down that wing.
Oh,
Oh,
corner.
Luke Shaw, love it. Before we started this, I was saying to him, Luke Shaw needs to bomb forward more. He needs to overlap, and he wasn't doing it for large parts of last season. But I've seen him do it a lot, 2, 3, 4 times this game. It helps so much. We got a corner out of it. That number 9 looks beautiful on his back. Right, guys, that is first half over. It feels like it's been dragging on, doesn't it? Literally. Feels like it's been dragging on. But first half's up. I'm really impressed. We'll see back when the second half starts. Second half is about to begin. I was just going to say, I was really happy until we both saw Adama Traore warming up. The guy is happy. But look at him, he's built.
He's
He's a
massive.
tank. Oh my God.
I feel like United messed up most of the time.
I've got a really bad feeling about this. I don't know why. Look, Traore's out here on the wide flank as well. I've got a proper bad feeling about this.
goes from Jimenez. Up goes Boli. The closest forward to
Fucking
come
hell.
by some distance.
Tries out wide on the right. Stand up Luke Shaw. Beautiful crossing. Oh, Van Saka gets rid. Come on, boys.
Oh my god. But we can't breathe, just fucking kick it out.
Corner.
That was close.
As you can tell from my reactions, you probably know what's just happened.
That hit the post.
Raul Jimenez. Is it Jimenez? That is, isn't it? Glancing header. Really, really good header. Hits the post and comes off De Gea.
And then, yeah.
But it still wasn't out of danger. They've just got a corner. Trial is always going to cause problems, man. The guy's lethal, man.
Take the corner.
What a goal. What a goal, Jimenez.
man.
Ruben Neves. What a goal.
Why is he always scoring long ranges, man?
What a goal. What a goal.
That was unstoppable.
Ah, man.
Fuck's sakes, man.
Trial has caused issues on issues on issues, man. That was a training ground routine, you know, you can tell. What a goal. That was a training ground routine. Training ground routine, literally.
Wow.
Unstoppable,
Wow.
unstoppable,
Here's
unstoppable.
long shots. Oh my god. Man, look, man, look.
Pogba? I don't know if that's a penalty.
That is a penalty. See that? He left his leg hanging there.
In a VAR check. I'm not gonna. You can't get excited anymore, man. That's really, really good footwork from Pogba though. If it's a penalty, then fucking happy days.
Oh.
Jumped over the leg, but is there some contact on the way?
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe just on the toe. The fact you have got a hurdle the challenge means it can be given as a foul. I don't think they're going to overrule that.
That should be penalty.
Well,
So, Manchester United.
Pogba's taking it. Oh my god, my heart's in my mouth.
Chelsea. Rashford
My heart is in my mouth. I can't. Oh my god. I hate this.
This is really, really bad.
maybe that's the rule.
Alright, Pogba has scored 4 in this one.
That was really hard shit, I know.
From his last five.
Mhm.
Come on, Pogba.
Quarter of a
Come on.
minute still to go.
He's dead.
Saved it. He saved it. I knew he saved it.
God.
Come on, boys. Head up, head up, head up, head up, head up. We don't lose our heads.
Oh my god, man.
That's fine, man. That's fine. We've got this. Come on, we faded out a bit. We faded out a bit. I think that goal was taking the sting out of the night, but it shouldn't be like that. The penalty miss is sort of. They need to pick their heads up, man. Come on.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you could tell by faces, we're not really happy with the result. It was 1-0. I felt like we should have won because of the penalty. Pogba missed the penalty, but it is what it is, isn't it? So we've got 4 points so far, and who we play next?
Crystal Palace, I think.
Yeah, Crystal Palace.
If you was to ask me in the before the season started, I even did say to a few people, looking at the first 2 games, Chelsea and Wolves, with yes, in the back we're more stronger, but midfield we only got weaker with Herrera leaving us, going over to PSG, and I wasn't too confident. So I said to myself, if we get 4 points out of the first 2 games, I'll take it. But just seeing how that game planned out, just how it unfolded with Pogba missing that penalty, is just it's left a bad taste in our mouths, hasn't it? This goal, we're just watching back the highlights.
That goal was...
That Neves goal. But if you want to get beaten by a goal, you want it to be like that.
So anyways guys, I hope you did enjoy our reaction. So yeah. Take care guys. Peace.